Hey, bro. You down to go to the political rally down the street right now? Sorry, man. I don't really have time right now. What'd you just say to me? You don't have time? That is the worst excuse on the market, bro. What are you thinking? Okay, I'm sorry. Like, jeez, man, you're making me cry now. Listen, dummy, it's a thought exercise. Clutch theory. Alright, I need to tell you how to make excuses the right way. Now, I don't mean lying. No, I mean excuses, right? There's a difference, sort of. Most people make the mistake of saying, sorry, I don't have time. No, that is a, oh, no, sirree. I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't do that and some alternatives you should instead. First of all, you can blame just about anything but time. The best alternatives are money and energy. Money is the one we like to go with most of the time, although there's some cases which it's not very applicable, so you can pick anything else, but don't say time. When you say, I don't have time, to the other person, they hear, I don't value this enough to make time for it. And that does not go well with people, and ultimately it can worsen relationships, and we don't want any of that, right? Now, most people should be understanding when you say money. Maybe they understand that, oh, you coming out all this way over here and doing this with me, sure, it may put a little more stress on your finances. That's fine. And if anything, it actually opens up for your relationships to strengthen because you'll be a little more understanding and empathetic. Now, maybe you're thinking about making an excuse and you're planning it out. Well, replace time with, it's not a priority. So in other words, instead of saying, sorry, I can't attend this event because it's not priority. Well, if it sounds right, then okay. But if it doesn't sound right, and it sounds to the other person that you're kind of a jerk and you prioritize yourself before anybody, then that's when you need to reconsider your priorities or just skip the time excuse altogether and make up another one. Now, at the end of the day, it's always better to just be honest with your excuses. Now, let's say you really don't have time. Name something specific that prevents you from going to the other event. And if you really have to, place some importance on that event. Say it's mandatory, or my career and my health depends on it, right? And of course, if you really don't have an excuse besides saying time, you might have to reconsider your priorities. So there you go, guys. That's how you make a proper excuse and prevent yourself from making bad excuses. But there should be no excuse to not use that right now. Clutch it out.